what we've got here is a Ozito Rapid Shredder. Reduce garden waste to a fine mulch. It's a powerful 2,400 watt mulcher. And I got this from a car boot sale or garage sale, wherever you are in the world. I was told it works, but obviously this is the first time. I've literally just took it out of the car. This is the first time together we're going to try it. Fingers crossed that it's fine and it works okay. All right, guys, I've got it all plugged in. This is genuine. I've never tried it. I honestly just pulled it out of the car after collecting this, and I thought, we'll just go ahead and see if it works. Moment of truth. Well, that definitely works. Let's get something to mulch. Okay, so I've just got a couple of simple things to mulch on at the moment. So I want to set you up. Well, there you go. What a bargain. It works perfect. It munched them up, no problem at all. I've not tried anything bigger, but I kind of see it being a problem. We get something for it to catch it in, and then we can mulch it away.
So how much did I actually pay for this?
So I actually paid £10 for it, which I think is an absolute bargain. Can't go wrong with that.